Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app is up to date and that your device has enough free RAM. This prevents rendering glitches. Next, open the exact brush preset causing pixelation and inspect size, density, blending, and stabilization values so you know what to change. Try switching pressure and touch settings off then on, and compare with the default brush. This immediately tells you whether the issue is global or isolated to that preset, so you can target fixes instead of guessing. Once done, dive into the brush internals. Lower density or opacity to reduce chunky pixels and why this softens transitions. Change the brush stamp to a higher resolution tip or enable anti-alias tip images because the shape bitmap often causes jagged edges. Also lower spacing to a small percent so stamps overlap, then tweak stabilization and smoothing to control stroke interpolation. These values decide how the software generates intermediate pixels and directly affect perceived pixelation during fast strokes. You finish by exporting or saving the adjusted brush and testing it at the actual canvas sizes you use so results match your workflow. Make sure canvas anti-aliasing is enabled, and when necessary, increase canvas resolution. Higher pixel density hides brush artifacts. If pixelation still appears, clear app cache, reset preferences, or reinstall Ibis Paint X because corrupted app data or a bad resource file can persist. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.